Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add sticker in your TikTok video. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application. So now you can see I open my TikTok, and if I want to add sticker on my TikTok video, what should you do? At first you need to click on this plus icon. So now you can see I just take a video, and after that there have a option at the right side, sticker. Select on sticker. Now lot of sticker is showing here, so now you can select any sticker from here. So I just select this love sticker from here. You can see now can add, make it bigger or smaller, anything you can do. After that select next, then post. So wait for uploading. So you can see my video already uploaded, so open it. Now you can see I already add sticker on my TikTok video. So guys, in this way you can add sticker in your TikTok video very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.